Have you ever craved exhilaration, that primal surge of adrenaline that leaves you breathless? Then prepare to awaken your inner beast. This, my friends, is not just a car. It's a revolution. It's the embodiment of untamed power, precision engineering, and pure driving bliss. It's the all-new 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT. Design and aesthetics. The new AMG GT isn't just about raw power. It's a feast for the eyes. The designers have sculpted a masterpiece that oozes aggression from every curve. The wider stance, the sharper lines, the completely redesigned front fascia. It all screams performance. But this isn't just about show. Every design element serves a purpose. The enlarged air intakes feed the beast within, while the active aerodynamics keep it planted on the tarmac. The available carbon fiber components not only reduce weight, but also add a touch of undeniable sophistication. Whether you choose the coupe or the roadster, the AMG GT is a head-turner guaranteed to leave a lasting impression. Interior and technology. Step inside the cockpit, and you'll find a driver-focused environment that exudes both luxury and performance. The high-quality materials, the beautifully crafted Nappa leather seats, and the abundance of carbon fiber accents create an atmosphere of exclusivity. The all-digital instrument cluster puts all the vital information you need right at your fingertips. The new MBUX system is faster, more intuitive, and packed with features specifically designed for the AMG driver. And speaking of driving modes, the AMG GT offers a plethora of options to customize your experience. From the comfortable comfort mode to the exhilarating race mode, there's a setting for every mood and every road. But the true star of the show is the AMG Drive Unit, a technological marvel that puts you in complete control. With a simple touch, you can adjust suspension settings, steering feel, and even the exhaust note. The new AMG GT isn't just a car, it's an extension of yourself, a machine that responds to your every command. Performance and powertrain. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the AMG GT apart. Its untamed heart. Buckle up, because we're about to unleash the beast. The new AMG GT boasts a completely redesigned powertrain, a masterpiece of German engineering. Depending on the model you choose, you can unleash either a monstrous 4.0 L twin-turbo V8 or a next-generation electrified powertrain. The V8 produces a staggering horsepower figure, insert specific horsepower, and an earth-moving torque figure, insert specific torque. This translates to mind-blowing acceleration that will pin you to your seat and leave you breathless. But the new AMG GT isn't just about brute force. The engineers have meticulously tuned every aspect of the powertrain and chassis for an exhilarating yet controllable driving experience. The new AMG developed 9-speed SPECT9G transmission changes gears with lightning-fast precision, keeping you in the power band at all times. The available electronically controlled limited-slip differential ensures optimal power delivery to the wheels, allowing you to carve through corners with confidence. For those seeking an even more thrilling experience, the electrified AMG GT offers a whole new level of performance. The combination of the powerful electric motor and the traditional V8 engine delivers instant torque and ferocious acceleration that rivals supercars. But the electrified AMG GT isn't just about speed. It also offers impressive fuel efficiency and the ability to drive on electric power alone for short distances. No matter which powertrain you choose, the all-new AMG GT is a force to be reckoned with. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of performance and delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Customization and options. The new AMG GT isn't just a powerful machine, it's a canvas for you to express your individuality. With a wide range of customization options, you can build a car that reflects your unique style. From the aggressive AMG Aerodynamics package to the luxurious AMG Night package, you can personalize the look of your car to match your personality. Inside, You can choose from a variety of premium materials and color combinations to create an interior that's both luxurious and sporty. No matter your preferences, there's a perfect AMG GT waiting to be built. The AMG GT is more than just a car, it's a legacy. It's the culmination of decades of racing heritage and relentless pursuit of performance. With the all-new 2025 AMG GT, Mercedes-AMG has redefined the driving experience. It's a car that delivers unmatched. The AMG GT is more than just a car, it's a legacy. It's the culmination of decades of racing heritage and relentless pursuit of performance. With the all-new 2025 AMG GT, Mercedes-AMG has redefined the driving experience. It's a car that delivers unmatched power, precision handling, and a level of technology that puts you in complete control. Whether you're carving corners on a racetrack, cruising down a highway, or exploring a scenic route, the AMG GT will elevate your journey to a whole new level. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's the feeling of adrenaline coursing through your veins. It's the thrill of pushing your limits and exploring the full potential of a machine. If you like the video, then please smash that subscribe button and hit that like button to never miss any of our videos. Until next time, goodbye.